Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to move mobile contacts to Gmail account on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Gmail app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the profile icon over here. Now just tap on Google account. From here, just swipe to the left side and select people and sharing. From here, just scroll down and tap on contact info from your devices. Now just enable this toggle. Now once you have done that, just scroll down and tap on Google Contacts. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Contacts app on your smartphone. From here, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Settings. Now from here, just select Export Contacts. Now from here, just tap on Internal Storage, then tap on Export. Now as you can see, we have created a file which contains all the contacts on our smartphone, and the name of the file is contacts.vcf, and we have saved the file in the internal storage of our smartphone. From here, just tap on OK. Now from here, just go back to the Gmail app and tap on the three lines over here. Now just select Import. Now on this page, just tap on Select File. Now as you can see, this is the file we have just created, which contains all the contacts of our smartphone. Just tap on it. Now just tap on Import. Now just wait for a few seconds for the contacts on your smartphone to be imported on your Gmail. Just like that. Now as you can see, we have successfully imported all the contacts on our smartphone to our Gmail account. And this is how you can move mobile contacts to Gmail account on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.